program, which is about how to improve your English. Today we invite Ms. Rehab. She is an English teacher, and today's discussion will be about how to improve your English skills through teaching vocabulary. Hello, Ms. Rehab. How are you doing? I'm glad to see you here in my interview. Well, can I ask you some questions?
Hello Zahra, I'm fine. Yeah, sure.
First, do you think teaching vocabulary has a strong effect in improving speaking skills?
I think teaching vocabulary has an important part in improving speaking skills because it enables the students to express their feeling, emotions, or thoughts toward something. Also, if the students learn a huge amount of vocabulary, they will be able to speak with others without any dread. Moreover, teaching vocabulary will help the students who have difficulties in pronouncing words, which will help them to speak frequently.
Great. Do you think there is an order that they should follow, or they can learn bits and pieces?
Sure, there must be a system the learner should follow in any context, starting from 0 to 10, not the opposite. In our case, improving speaking through vocabulary, the order important to ensure that the learner will not have any problem in storing the vocabulary because she or he starts from the simple vocabs such as nouns, verbs, adjectives, or even prepositions, to more complex vocabs, which is phrases and compounds.
Okay. What are the ways do you think the learners should try to check their speech?
I think presentation is one way to use.
Okay, but how it is used to ensure the speaking of your student?
Well, I think teacher should give their students an opportunity to present in front of their classmates using either a given topic or any of their interests. Also, there are other ways such as using the words that they learned in real communication outside the classroom. Also, use the target language while speaking in daily life. For example, in our society in Oman, students should speak English while they are communicating with their friends in class, thus no use of their first language. Also recording by using one app to record your voice, and then you can listen and check where you did well and where you didn't.
Okay. Are there any specific phrases that students should know them when they want to speak?
It depends. Sometimes yes, because in such situations you will need the phrases that you have been taught in class. For example, when you want to use it with how to introduce yourself, apologize, thanks, or request something. While sometimes no, in daily life there are a lot of situations need you to create your own phrases using your knowledge of vocabulary.
Finally, would you like to share with us some of your experiences with your students?
Yeah, I would like to tell you about one thing that I'm doing with my students, which is I ask students to produce a sentence before they enter the class. And since we finished our class, I ask them to produce other sentence using one of the vocabulary or phrases that I taught them before. Leave the class. So they will be forced to speak using the target language. And I think this way is very useful for students who resist to speak. Finally, my advice to other teachers is to try this way, and I'm sure they will get benefit from it.
Great. Thank you for giving us your time. We had pleasure moments with all of these valuable information. See you soon next time with another discussion.